Welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off privacy settings on Roblox. This is very simple. You have to just follow my instructions very carefully. You can see that I'm on the home page of Roblox application. Now at the bottom part, at the last section, you can see a 3-dot button. Click on this 3-dot button. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see an option that is settings. Click on it. Now at the third page, you can see a privacy button. Click on the privacy button. Okay, now you can see there are many options here like account restrictions. In my case, you can see that the account restrictions are enabled. You have to just turn this toggle off. Okay, so account restriction are disabled now at the bottom section you can see a section communication which is turned off. So you have to click on the communication section, that is you have to tap on the off section. Now make it custom. Then the next section is who can message me. Click on it, make it to everyone like the first one. Okay, who can chat with me in app. Click on it, select it friends. Who can chat with me, again select everyone, and that's all. Your privacy section has been turned off. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.